So, Jane, tell me about your experience with the attic project.
Well, it's all been really, really, really positive. I was referred by the lovely people through the orthopedic clinic at Llandoch because I was going to have hip replacement, which I have had 3 weeks ago, and I just needed help with sorting things out in the flat because more than a bit of a hoarder. And the lovely Charlotte has been wonderful, checking up on me and phoning me and making sure I had everything. I had a really nice handyman come in and take boxes into the storage shed, and I can really see how I want the flat to go now. And it's been a very positive experience, and it's cheered me up no end. So as I'm recovering from my hip op, I'm actually recovering from getting rid of all of the stuff that I don't need anymore and that I've been clinging on to for some sort of reason. And they've just been wonderful. And thank you so much, Attic Project. And I hope you're going to have a very, very, very long life and help lots and lots of other people.